NGOs need posters that spread awareness and inspiring action. In this tutorial, I will show you how to design a clean and impactful NGO awareness drive poster in Photoshop. Open Photoshop and set a canvas size. Select a neutral or light background for professional feel. Add a bold headline like Awareness Drive 2025 or cause specific title. Use professional fonts. Insert a powerful central images. Apply NGO branding colors or thematic shades. Add short campaign slogans like Together for Change. Place event details. Add icons or minimal graphics. Highlight the missions or focus area in one or two lines. Keep spacing and alignment